These guys open up at 8, which is awesome because I'm tired. I want to go sleep. Pretty awesome, huh? Really like these things. Really good.
Going down for a time. My friends are gonna be there too. I'm on the highway days.
Okay, just so you know, when I do these videos, I'm not showing you local food. I'm showing you what I ate. So if you're like me and you prefer Western food, then this is more for you. If you're looking to explore cuisines of the Philippines or any other country I go to and make a video like this, you're going to be disappointed. So just saying. Can I film you? What's your name?
My name is Mika.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Jane.
How are you?
I'm good.
Anything you want to say?
Did you try pizza? Our pizza is good.
Thank you. It's pretty good pizza. I quite like it. Yellow Cab. Alright, so I can make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. No refrigerator, so I couldn't get much to make a few meals in my room with. So that's that. Army Navy, gonna eat here. Okay, I got tacos this time. Looking good. I haven't had their tacos before. We'll see how they go. Okay, jelly beans. I brought those with me for the other channel to film some stuff. Got a video on jelly beans. Decade? Yeah, can I come in? What's your name?
Mona.
How are you?
Good.
Cool. Burger King, that's my second time eating it, and I'll probably eat it more. With the exception of the Shawarma Snack Center, Burger King's the closest place. Yeah, eating Panda Express today. Fun stuff, huh? What I like about this, man, is those noodles will last a while. They don't really need to be refrigerated, so I could like have them tomorrow for breakfast also. I don't know about the orange chicken though. Hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. They just opened this. Like a week ago when I checked in, this wasn't here. Huh. Well, easier to get food. Okay, got some grilled cheese because that's all they had. They just opened today. But whatever, it's pouring out. SNR pizza, I've eaten here before. It's really good actually. Okay, here's this pizza when I got back to my room. Oh, what's it called? Yeah, SNR. Really good. Last time I had it was Cebu. Really, it's like a Costco pizza, and that's not a bad thing in my opinion. It's really good.
Name?
Well, YouTube. I got two: Highway to Hades and Hades Tells Tales.
Hades. Wait, can I search it?
Sure. Real quick, let me just say, how are you?
How are you?
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name's Jason. What's your name?
Mark.
Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Where are you from, sir?
U.S. They didn't have chocolate frosting, just whatever that purple shit is. All right, so this strawless retardation has also hit the Philippines. I asked for a straw. I said, no, we don't give out straws. So I'm supposed to just hold this shit upside down and drink. What the fuck? Do you like Wendy's burgers, though? I don't like that pizza. Really bad. Greenwich, or maybe, I don't know how they pronounce it here. Greenwich. Not good. The pepperoni wasn't real pepperoni. It was like ham. That's not pepperoni. Ham is not pepperoni.